I earn a small fee when you use the services I recommend. No extra cost to you, but it helps keep the content flowing. I choose them because they are the industry topper and you will get the best services from them. The United States, a land of opportunity, beckons entrepreneurs worldwide. Its robust economy and diverse market offer fertile ground for business ventures. For non-US residents, the allure of the American dream often includes establishing a presence in this dynamic landscape. Forming a limited liability company, or LLC, is a popular choice for both US citizens and non-residents alike. Check out the link in the description box below. This flexible business structure provides liability protection and potential tax advantages, making it an attractive option for those venturing into the US market. Navigating the intricacies of US business regulations and tax laws can seem daunting, especially for those unfamiliar with the system. This guide aims to demystify the process, providing a clear, concise roadmap for non-US residents seeking to establish an LLC in the United States. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting, understanding the fundamentals of LLC taxation for non-US residents is crucial for success. Let's embark on this journey together, empowering you with the knowledge to confidently navigate the world of US business ownership. An LLC, or limited liability company, is a popular business structure in the United States. It's known for its flexibility and benefits. One of the most significant advantages is its liability protection. Think of an LLC as a shield. It separates your personal assets from your business liabilities. This means if your business faces debts or lawsuits, your personal belongings like your house or car are generally protected. This separation is crucial for peace of mind. You can pursue your entrepreneurial dreams knowing your personal assets are safeguarded. In essence, an LLC offers a balance between the simplicity of a sole proprietorship and the liability protection of a corporation. The U.S. welcomes entrepreneurs from all corners of the globe. You don't need to be a U.S. citizen or resident to form an LLC. This openness makes the U.S. a magnet for global business ventures. The process for forming an LLC is the same for both U.S. residents and non-residents. This equal playing field encourages international participation in the U.S. economy. However, there are specific tax implications for non-U.S. resident LLC owners. Understanding these is key to ensuring compliance and maximizing benefits. Don't let tax complexities deter you. With the right knowledge and guidance, you can navigate the U.S. business landscape successfully. Setting up your LLC is a straightforward process. Let's break it down into manageable steps. Step 1. Choose your state. Each state has its own rules and fees for LLCs. Research and select the state that aligns best with your business needs. Step 2. Select a registered agent. A registered agent is your business's official point of contact in the state. They receive legal documents and official mail on your behalf. Step 3. Choose a unique business name. Your LLC's name must be distinctive and not already in use by another business in your chosen state. For example, if you're starting a tech company, you might call it Bizee Tech Solutions. Step 4. File your articles of organization. This document officially establishes your LLC within your chosen state. It typically includes your business name, address, registered agent information, and business purpose. Step 5. Create an operating agreement. While not always mandatory, an operating agreement is highly recommended. It outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, and operating procedures of your LLC. By following these steps, you'll lay a solid foundation for your US-based LLC. The importance of an EIN, your business tax ID. An employer identification number, or EIN, is like a social security number for your business. It's a unique 9-digit number issued by the Internal Revenue Service, or IRS. So, why is an EIN crucial? Well, it's essential for various business operations. For instance, opening a bank account. Most banks require an EIN to open a business account. When it comes to hiring employees, you'll need an EIN to hire and pay employees legally. And for filing taxes, the IRS uses your EIN to track your business's tax obligations. Even if you don't plan to hire employees immediately, obtaining an EIN is advisable. It simplifies your business dealings and ensures you're operating legitimately in the eyes of the IRS. Obtaining your EIN, a simple process. Getting your EIN is surprisingly straightforward. You can apply online through the IRS website. Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Visit the IRS EIN application website. Go to the IRS website and locate the EIN application page. Step 2. Determine your eligibility. Ensure you meet the eligibility criteria, which include having a valid taxpayer identification number, or TIN. Step 3. Complete the application. Fill out the online application form with accurate information about your LLC, including its name, address, and business activity. Step 4. Submit and receive your EIN. Once you submit the application, you'll typically receive your EIN immediately. For instance, Bizee Tech Solutions would receive their EIN instantly upon successful application. And Step 5. Keep your EIN safe. Store your EIN securely. You'll need it for various business transactions and tax purposes. Navigating U.S. taxation, a guide for non-U.S. resident LLC owners. Taxation for non-U.S. resident LLC owners can be complex. It depends on whether your LLC is considered a domestic or foreign entity for tax purposes. This classification hinges on where your LLC is formed, not your residency. If formed in the U.S., it's a domestic LLC. If formed outside the U.S., it's a foreign LLC. Non-U.S. resident owners of domestic LLCs are typically subject to U.S. taxation on their share of the LLC's income. This income is taxed at graduated rates, similar to U.S. residents. However, tax treaties between the U.S. and your country of residence might offer exemptions or reduced tax rates. It's crucial to consult with a tax professional to understand the specific treaty provisions applicable to your situation. Tax forms and filing requirements. Staying compliant. Filing the correct tax forms on time is crucial to avoid penalties. The forms you need to file depend on your LLC's classification and your income. For federal income tax purposes, non-U.S. resident LLC owners typically file Form 1040 NR, U.S. non-resident alien income tax return. This form captures your U.S. sourced income and any applicable deductions or credits. Additionally, your LLC might need to file Form 1040, U.S. individual income tax return, or Form 1120, U.S. corporation income tax return, depending on its tax structure. Besides federal taxes, you might also be subject to state and local taxes depending on where your LLC operates. Each state has its own set of rules and regulations. Navigating this complex web of tax forms and deadlines can be challenging. Seeking professional guidance from a qualified tax advisor is highly recommended to ensure accurate and timely filing. Seeking professional guidance, the key to smooth sailing. Navigating the complexities of LLC formation and taxation for non-U.S. residents can feel overwhelming. Don't hesitate to seek expert advice. Consult with experienced professionals. A business attorney can guide you through the legal aspects of LLC formation, ensuring compliance with state regulations. A CPA specializing in international taxation can help you understand your tax obligations, optimize your tax strategy, and ensure accurate filing. Investing in professional guidance might seem like an added expense, but it's a wise investment. It can save you from costly mistakes, legal hassles, and potential tax liabilities in the long run. Common pitfalls to avoid protecting your business. Even with the best intentions, mistakes can happen. Let's highlight some common pitfalls to avoid. Ignoring state regulations. Each state has its own rules for LLCs. Failure to comply can lead to penalties or even the dissolution of your LLC. Missing tax deadlines. Late filing or payment of taxes can result in significant financial penalties. Inadequate record keeping. Maintain meticulous financial records. This is crucial for tax purposes and potential audits. Disregarding tax treaties. Failing to leverage beneficial provisions in tax treaties can lead to unnecessary tax burdens. By being aware of these pitfalls and proactively seeking professional guidance, you can mitigate risks and set your business up for success. Embracing the journey. Establishing an LLC in the U.S. as a non-resident is an exciting step towards realizing your entrepreneurial dreams. While the process might seem intricate, armed with the right knowledge and guidance, it's entirely achievable. Remember, thorough research. Understand the intricacies of LLC formation, taxation, and ongoing compliance requirements. Check out the link in the description box below. Professional guidance. Seek expert advice from a business attorney and a CPA specializing in international taxation. Meticulous planning. Develop a comprehensive business plan, outlining your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Embrace the journey. The U.S. welcomes your entrepreneurial spirit, offering a world of opportunities for those willing to take the leap. With careful planning, informed decisions, and a commitment to compliance, you can navigate the path to success in the vibrant U.S. marketplace.